Today we're pulling back the curtain on one of Central Texas's most extraordinary properties. Welcome to 3319 Eagle Ridge in Harker Heights. This is a luxury custom-built home with the most amazing view of Stillhouse Hollow Lake. Now the inside is absolutely amazing, but somehow the outside is even more fantastic. So stick with me till the end so that you can really see it all, as well as get the current list price. Hey, and welcome back to Living in Central Texas. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification so that you can stay up to date on all things real estate here in the Central Texas area. This lot itself is a rare find, being nestled atop a ridgeline with these panoramic, protected views of Stillhouse Hollow Lake is something that simply cannot be replicated. As we approach the home, the first thing that strikes you is the sheer presence of this home. The use of native stone and stucco gives it a warmth and sophistication that feels both rooted in the Texas landscape and elegantly elevated. If you look up, you'll see the striking standing seam metal roof, which isn't just for aesthetics, it's a premium, durable feature that speaks to the quality of construction. And if you notice those arched entryways, they add a soft European flair that breaks up the hard lines and makes the approach feel super inviting. The architectural design and just overall exterior on this home is really beautiful. There's a mix of stone and stucco, a lot of really grand entrances, and it's a very Spanish Mediterranean feel. It's very beautiful and tastefully done. We're currently standing in the courtyard, and before we came in, coincidentally, we ran into the builder of this home as he's doing a custom build across the street. And what's really awesome is he was saying that what this home is currently going for, stay till the end to see, that if you were to build it new right now, it would cost you about $2.3 million. And when you see everything that is in and outside of this home and its current price tag, I really think you'll be blown away. Let's keep going. Stepping inside, you are immediately greeted by a sense of space and light that is truly monumental. The soaring ceilings draw your eyes upward, and those expansive windows we saw from the outside, well, they're the star of the show from in here, framing those panoramic lake views like living pieces of art. The flow of this home is immediately apparent, and it's an open concept design, but it's been so intelligently executed. It's not just one big room, they are defined spaces, yet they all converse with one another. The sightlines are incredible. You can be in the formal living area and still feel connected to the kitchen, the dining space, and of course, the stunning backdrop of the outdoors. So I've shown quite a few houses in the area over time, and I actually remembered showing this home previously when it was listed, and the one thing that really stood out to me was this bathroom. This is so spa-esque, and it even has heated flooring. Super rare, super novelty, but really amazing feature. You can just tell how polished and grand this bathroom is. You have the his and her sinks. You have a complete wet area in the shower with your soaking tub in there, seating area. Amazing lighting. Probably the best bathroom I've ever seen. And then you have his and her closets, which, as you know, one of my best mom loves and features in all of these homes is when the laundry room connects to the closet. But this laundry room does have a utility sink, tons of cabinet space, undermount lighting, and then it leads out into, you have 4 garages. So you have 2 garages on this side, 2 garages on this side. They are currently using one of them as a home gym. There is spray foam insulation throughout the home. So 2 of the garages are connected to the home. This is detached, epoxy flooring. Little utility sink in there as well.
Now let's talk about the details that your eyes might not catch immediately, the custom woodwork. And if you look at the craftsmanship on these built-ins, the trim work, the doors, that is just not off-the-shelf millwork. This is the kind of custom, hand-finished detail that you find in truly bespoke homes. The finishes throughout are consistently high-end. Think wide plank wood flooring, designer light fixtures, and just elegant tile work that we'll see more of later. This layout is what I'd call maybe well executed for modern living. It seems to be designed with both large-scale entertaining and intimate daily life in mind. There are spaces for gathering and spaces for retreat. The placement of the rooms, the width of the halls, the strategic positioning of the windows for optimal light, it all feels very intentional and effortless.
This kitchen is truly amazing. We noticed when we were walking through this house, if you can think it, these people put it in the home when they custom built it. But very beautiful and tastefully designed. You can see there's these gorgeous, dark stained naughty alder cabinets throughout, which they also incorporated into the fridge. We have these gorgeous granite countertops, GE monogram appliances, stainless steel appliances. And something to note is that throughout the area, you often don't get gas, and so this is considered a luxury, is gas stove, if that's important to you. You have your wonderful pot filler. And I think the highlighted feature of this kitchen is actually this oversized granite island. It really opens up into the main living spaces, so you can really imagine spending time with friends or loved ones, cooking, hanging out, and then, of course, enjoying the most amazing view. And then for all of you coffee drinkers, there is a built-in espresso machine. And then one of the coolest features is this hideaway pantry. So this home was built in 2012. So what are we at? What is that, 13 years? And it still feels brand new. Everything is super quality. You have a built-in kitchenette, serving area, formal dining space opening up to that great view. And then actually behind you here, you have a coffee bar or wine bar.
The living space is anchored by a beautiful fireplace and it's drenched in natural light. And just off the main living area, you'll find a home office or study with beautiful woodwork once again and built-in shelves. After a long day or after hosting a fabulous party, every owner deserves a private retreat, a place to truly disconnect and recharge. And folks, the primary suite in this home is exactly that, a sanctuary.
Okay, the moment I know y'all have been waiting for. Let's go check out this backyard. Plenty of space for barbecuing, entertaining. Up top, it's very multi-leveled. This ridge view and the elevation, you really have a lot going on here, but really in the best way possible. Probably one of the most gorgeous pools I've ever seen. You have an infinity pool. This is heated. You have your hot tub, your waterfall. The tax rate in this area is actually 1.83, which is really amazing. If you see, and then of course that's gonna depend really what your exemptions look like. If you put any exemptions on this home, whether that be, homestead, over 65, we have VA exemptions. Actually, I'm gonna be doing a video in the next upcoming weeks on property taxes, if that's something that you're curious about. But property taxes here are a lot lower than a lot of other places in Bell County. But here you have your chipping and putting green, and then the property line on this one actually goes beyond this fencing. It's 1.2 acres, this entire property. So it's kind of deceiving with how it's all laid out and the trees and what they've built, but you do have a lot of property here. And then of course, down below, you have a wonderful pergola, swing, and additional fire feature. But this is one of those houses you just can't unsee. Kind of stays with you forever. I thought it was really neat meeting the builder outside. The home that he's building across the street is it's about as modern as it gets, but he was really proud of this home, which was really sweet. What do you think? You love it?
But it doesn't stop there. Look at this multi-tiered backyard. It's not just a flat piece of land, it's a dynamically landscaped paradise. The listing mentions putting and chipping greens, and that's right, you can practice your short game without ever leaving home. The mature trees and professional landscape provide a lush, park-like setting and an immense sense of privacy. You feel like you're in your own private world, yet you have this commanding elevated view of Stillhouse Hollow Lake and the rolling landscape. It's serene, it's exclusive, and it's absolutely breathtaking.
All right, so the specs on this home, this is a 4-bed, 4.5 bath home, just under 4,400 square feet, built in 2012 on 1.2 acres with this amazing gunite infinity pool, putting green, chipping green, pergola, and all the amazing features that you've seen today, priced at $1.6 million.
If you've been captivated by what you've seen today and you want to experience this masterpiece in person, you absolutely need to.
Thank you for touring one of Central Texas's most beautiful luxury listings. I can truly say this is one of the most beautiful homes I have ever toured. I think that this view really speaks for itself between the infinity pool, the putting and chipping green, and this view of Stillhouse Hollow Lake. You really can't beat it. If you liked this video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you liked about it. Do you want to see more videos like this? If you would like any more information on this home or relocating to the Central Texas area, you can find all my information below. You can also head on over to livinginctx.com for my free relocation guide and some really amazing additional resources. Till next time.